You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. Being broken doesn't erase your value. It gives you wisdom, resilience, and perspective. Rebuilding self-worth starts with small, intentional steps, not rushed perfection. The very first step is self-forgiveness. It's so easy to get caught in a loop of blaming ourselves, isn't it? Forgive yourself for the mistakes you think you made, for trusting the wrong people, for simply being human. Carrying all that guilt is like trying to swim with an anchor tied to your feet. It only weighs you down. Forgiveness is what sets you free to move forward. Try this, and really mean it. Say it aloud with me. I did the best I could with what I knew then. See? Releasing that blame is the first most powerful act of self-respect. It's about acknowledging your humanity and giving yourself the grace you'd so readily give to a friend. Next, it's time to repair your self-esteem by focusing on actions that reinforce your value. I'm not talking about grand, life-altering achievements. I'm talking about the small stuff. Did you make your bed today? Celebrate that win. Did you stick to a boundary you set? Honor that. Did you take 5 minutes just to breathe and be with yourself? Invest that time. Every single choice that prioritizes your well-being, no matter how small, strengthens the belief that you matter, because you do. Remember, self-worth grows from consistency, not from someone else's approval or validation. Finally, and this is a game changer, reframe your mistakes as growth. Every misstep, every stumble, is a lesson. It's a guide for your future self, showing you what works and what doesn't. So instead of thinking, I failed, I want you to try thinking, I learned what I need to grow. When you shift your perspective like this, the pain starts to transform. It becomes fuel for your resilience, and your experience becomes undeniable evidence of your strength. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. Forgive yourself. Rebuild your self-esteem. Turn mistakes into growth. Step by step, moment by moment, your self-worth can be restored, stronger and wiser than before. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this helped, please consider subscribing for more content on building a life you love.